Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be learning about how to install Facebook PHP SDK in your own system. Okay, so if you are doing how to post a message on Facebook, you'll be cloning the downloaded file or a zip file, whatever it is. So instead of that, we'll be doing we'll install our own files and do it, okay, by the Facebook website itself and into it in your folder. Okay, so for that, let's go to our one folder where we are running the XAMPP. Okay, so I'll go to my C drive. So I am using XAMPP, so I'll go to XAMPP inside htdocs. So I'll create a folder name called Facebook app. Okay, so I'm creating a folder with the name Facebook app. So let's open this folder into our editor. So this is I use Visual Basic editor, guys. So let's open that folder. Okay, so if you are using any other folder, you can open over there, or I'm using Facebook app. Okay, so it's loading, guys. So guys, so you have to install the composer, right? Like Facebook PHP SDK composer to install into your own folder. Okay, you want in this folder, your Facebook app folder, you want to install your own files. Okay, so for that you have to run your terminal. Okay, so like some of them don't use terminal, they can use their command prompt or git bash, whatever. So I'm using over here my bash. So for this, now you are going to install, right? So what you want to install, you don't know. So for that, we'll go to our developer Facebook page document. Okay, so we are going to developerfacebookpage.com, go to docs. So you'll get that document over there. So in this, now we'll go down and here, yeah, PHP SDK. So you'll get the SDK to composer installer for that. So this is the Facebook SDK for PHP. Okay, so on this you'll get PHP SDK on GitHub. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, you have to click on this, click, it will take you to the next page. So this is our GitHub page from the Facebook. So you can clone or download this into your folder, paste it over there, or else you can install this all thing folder. It's not required, only the main files we can use, right? So for that, we'll go to the installation. So Facebook PHP SDK for PHP, just select this line. Okay, copy it. So this is the Facebook PHP SDK can be installed with composer. Okay, so run this command in your command prompt or wherever. Okay, for the git bash. So I'll be running my application over here. So I will install and I am giving enter. So it's getting installed. So after installation, all the things will be displayed in it. So it takes some times for installation. So just let's wait for that. So guys, we are installing the composer into it. We will not include any other files. So directly we can work on it, not required to install or download some other file from the YouTube links or whatever, okay, which is available by many people. So in this video I'm telling you directly how to install and do it. Okay, so it's getting installed, loading from cache, yeah, generating auto load files, it's done. So see guys, so these are the three things which you will get: vendor and composer in this. Okay, and this is the JS, composer.json and log. So these three files are important. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Okay, so you don't require this file to download and paste it in your folder and run your SDK. Okay, so that all files are nothing but these files only, and they have edited it, some of them. Okay, so guys, in this video, that's it. We have learned how to install it, and now after this you will like if you want to post a message or a link or an image to the Facebook from the PHP using localhost. So you just watch on my next video which is available. Like I will be doing like new file and save this file as post message. Okay, post message to fb dot php, save. Okay, so I'll be coding in this. So guys, in this video that's it. We have learned how to install the composer for the Facebook to send message from one to another page. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Okay, thank you guys.